Hello Saj, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for the month of June. We will see your personal energy towards you and what can you expect for next month. So let's see. Commitment. We have a Hierophant card here. Saj. Could be dealing with Libra or a Taurus, but this person has been very hurt in the past. Could be dealing with someone who is a widow or divorcee. If not, then this person just is in their power, like they have been very hurt in the past and now they don't want to deal with any crap. Such they are fed up, they just want commitment, they don't want to play games anymore, they don't want to they are not up for games or dating. This person wants commitment or marriage with you. Could be dealing with someone who is a fire sign or having fire in their chart, Aries, Leo, Sag. But something has ended here. If this person was a player, this person is walking away from that energy. Yes, because this person feels that you are their soulmate. I also feel if they were dealing with people who were from their past, they are walking away from that energy because this person is very much in that energy where this person wants commitment and even marriage with you. So let's see how do they feel you. They feel you are stalking them, or you use words that are very harsh, like you say stuff without filter. They feel you should be patient with them and they should be patient with you, like you, because of your words, like they have to be patient. They also feel that it's destined to meet you, like some angel is keeping you guys together somehow. I also feel that this person feels a deep connection with you, Sag. This person loves you. They also feel that they want to have a balance in this relationship, or the things are balanced between you guys for now. They think about the growth in this relationship, but they want balance. Libra energy here, Ace of Swords here. This person thinks about growth and love in this relationship. At the same time, this person wants balance, Sag. Librans want balance, be it love, honesty, truth, whatever. Librans want balance, and this is what I'm seeing here. Like this Empress this is the Libran card here. Libra energy. This person wants balance with you. This person wants to have a growth in this relationship. This person wants to be with you, love you, nurture you, but this person wants balance, like they want equal give and take. This person is very quiet. This person could be dealing with someone who is psychic or even a tarot reader or an astrologer, but this person is very intuitive. This person is psychic. I also feel you are having a deep connection with this person. At the same time, this person is fed up. This person is, there could be some traumas. Five of Swords here. This is ego because of a breakup. What is Five of Swords for it? Three of Swords. This person has been hurt because of a separation. This person just want to stay single. If they were walking away from that energy, like they were walking away from their exes, that old past energies, this person, for now, this person do want you, Sag. You are their wish fulfillment. At the same time, this person just want to take care of themselves, and it's not that they want to take care of themselves spiritually or like that. This person is like in their player energy, could be in their player energy. They do want to have a growth with you, but if this is a separation, this person has been very hurt, and because of their ego, because of their pride, this person just want to stay alone. They do want you, at the same time they just want to get indulged in their old self, like alcohol, sex addictions, that player like energy, like having multiple options at the time and not committing to anyone. That's the energy I'm getting here. This person loves you, but this person feels that you manipulated them emotionally. Could be a child could be involved in this situation, or a communication. This person wants to talk to you, Saj, but this person feels that they cannot take any action towards you. This person definitely wants to travel towards you, wants to talk to you, want to communicate with you, but then they feel they should just wait for you to reach out to them, or just turn their back from this connection. This person do want to heal themselves, like heal this connection and heal. They do want to heal themselves, but this person also could be getting attention from multiple people or having success in other areas of their life, but this person do want to fix things with you. At the same time, they feel you manipulated them emotionally. This person is going to be very closed off from you, Saj. They are going to hold back. Even if they want to reach out to you, they are going to restrain themselves to reach out to you, to talk to you. This person is walking away from you, Saj. This person is walking away from you. This person will focus on their self-growth, on their own growth. You could be in your Emperor energy, like this is not your card though, this is Aries and Scorpio, but what I'm getting from here is this person once wanted to have a commitment with you, but now this person feels that they should just focus on themselves, on their own growth. They could be in that energy where they just want to look for that partner that can match their energy. Empress. This Empress is looking for an Emperor. So if you cannot be in that energy, like you cannot do that for them, this person will look around to have this energy, like her partner. Outcome, please. Four of Cups. Rejection. This is a break. This is a break. Let's see what's going to happen for the month of July. Just to see, is it a permanent breakup or not? There might be a communication, and someone may confess their true feelings, but someone is going to feel very guilty here, because this could have started very fast and ended very fast between you guys, but expect some passion here. But someone is waiting here. The connection is very spiritual. But eventually this person will come back towards you, Saj. I have a Sun card here, but this is for the month of July, so expect a break in this relationship. If you guys are already in break, then expect happiness, but after a little longer time, like not this month. I'm getting for the month of July we are going to be together, and this is going to be very shocking for you. Okay, so this was your reading, Saj. Let me get messages from your person. It does matter to me. I'm waiting for you. You belong to me. I'm never gonna come back to you. I miss you. Your dreams are too big for me. I'm a simple man who wants a simple life. I often think of you, wonder, do I ever cross your mind? So this is a break, Saj. Let's just go with the flow at the bottom. This is a break, Saj, and the spirit is asking you to just go with the flow because eventually you guys will be together. It will take some time. For now, this person is waiting for you, but and it does matter to them, but this person is not going to come back towards you. I feel this person is waiting for you to reach out to them, and you have to reach out to them. I feel at the same time this person want to have you in their life, they want to claim you, and someone walked away because the other person was having a big dreams like you, either you or your person couldn't give you what you wanted, or you couldn't give your person something that they wanted to have in a relationship. Okay, so this was your reading, Saj. I really hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.